Hello everyone, this is Nadine from Product Management. Today I'm introducing IFS new heavy maintenance engineer portal dedicated for technicians who are always on the move and working on assets such as aircraft, trains, or even cars. The new portal is compatible with multiple mobile devices such as iPads, as you can see right now, or iPhone 10 or Samsung Galaxy Fold, just to name a few. Let's go back to the iPad view. I'm currently logged in as Dominic, a technician who can now have a full 360 view of his work. He can see tasks he's currently working on, the one he can work on next, any unassigned task, tasks he has already completed, any defect he has raised so far, any inspection sign-off opportunity he may have, and any material he has ordered. Furthermore, he can have a sneak peek at his workload for the next days. Now let's look at one specific task. And let's go to the Work Task Details screen. The goal of the portal is really to provide Dominic with all the necessary information he needs in order to perform the work, mainly material, tooling and equipment, any task steps he has to perform, and he also needs to know information such as zones and access panel. Furthermore, Dominic will have access to any technical document attached to the task. Those documents could be AMM documents, MPD documents, or any other technical documents. Just by clicking on View here, Dominic will be able to browse through the document as required. Once Dominic has completed the work, he needs to use his mobile device to record the work. So from here, Dominic can enter the work performed and the different steps he took. As an example here, he can write the EMM task card number and the actual work that he has performed. He can attach any document such as pictures if required and click OK. This would complete the task directly in the system, providing a view to the planners on the overall work progress. Dominic can now go back to the Assigned Tasks tab and pick another task to work on next. As you can see, we have our counters have been reset to take into account the task already completed and the new task Dominic has chosen. In summary, technicians can now easily view technical documents, work instructions, order part directly from their mobile devices. Thanks for watching, and please do not forget to subscribe to IFS YouTube channel.